Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both phones, enable developer options and USB debugging, because the transfer needs direct access to app storage. You must sign into the same Google account and turn on Android backup. This preserves app data where supported. Once done, make sure both batteries are above 50% and connect to stable Wi-Fi so uploads and restores don't fail. You'll use a PC or a cable for the one reliable method, so have your USB cable and a computer ready now. You now perform a full local backup using a DB backup or the phone maker's migration tool. This is the only way to reliably move app data across arbitrary Android devices. Include APKs and app data when creating the backup, because Play Store reinstall alone won't restore private files. Once the backup completes, verify the file size and timestamp to confirm success. Then copy that backup to your PC or an external drive. Make sure you have a duplicate before proceeding to the target device. You finish by restoring the backup to the target phone via a DB restore or the manufacturer's restore function. Allow the process to complete without interruption. After restore, open each app and check settings, sign into any accounts, and confirm data like chats, progress, or saved files are present. If something's missing, check the backup integrity and ensure both phones use compatible Android versions. Also confirm app permissions. If needed, repeat backup/restore or pull specific app files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.